guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am using a different LPS than normal. Usually I'll use this one for my intros and stuff, but today I'm using this purple turtle. And I will be announcing today's shout out winner, and if you didn't already know, then I am starting this week going to do a shout out every week for whoever puts in the secret code word that I'll say at the beginning, middle, or end of every video. Well, not every video, but one video a week. So yeah, today's shout out winner, the LoveLina's shout out poster winner is Not Sunny Cupcakes. And today's shout out word, since I'm using this purple turtle that someone said they liked, thank you to the person who said that, is going to be Purple Christmas. It's up there, Purple Christmas. Okay, in case I think it was Not Sunny Cupcakes actually who commented and asked me what editing app I use for my music videos. I use Vida. Yes, it is Vida. I use Vida to edit my videos and my music videos. I used to use Volo, but I found that Vida is a lot better. So yeah, Volo or Vida. Vida is a better alternative if you want to stay free. And Volo, you can also stay free, but you just won't get the best. And I stayed free on Volo, and that's why I moved over to Vida. So yeah, totally recommend those two video editing apps. I'm answering my own Q&A now because the rest of these questions weren't asked. But I get all my little spy chunks from Five Below or eBay or Etsy. And most of their accessories, like the rubber band necklaces, I make out of rubber bands. And these little collar things I got from eBay. And this little setup, I got everything in the setup except the floor because it's like the top of a chocolate box. It's all from Michael's. And my tripod that I'm filming with right now, I got that from also Five Below because I did a humongous shopping spree with me and my best friend. We did a huge shopping spree. And yeah, we bought a lot of stuff. And I'm not sure if I've used toy food in any of my videos yet, but if I have, then all those toy foods are erasers. All those toy foods are either erasers or just random little plastic toys that I got from eBay. But yeah, they're mostly erasers. And I have a lot of them, and I don't use them as erasers because I use them as toy food. I think they're better toy food than they are erasers, just saying. Okay, well, if you want to know anything else, watch my other Q&A video, or go and watch my first ever video. It explains a lot. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye! Oh, and remember, code word, Purple Christmas. Bye!